Okay, so we're in Paul's garage, and yeah, now we need to fix everything that got dicked up from yesterday's adventures.
Somebody.
So, like, well, I'm pretty sure we're not going to really worry about the hood too much, but especially because the bolt we need needs to be fancy. But, yeah, so alternator, shit the bed. We're pretty sure we figured it out because we didn't have a fucking indicator light or a resistor to replace the indicator light in line to the 12 volts on one of the wires, so we're going to do that. And then we also are getting rid of the JDM Mitsubishi junk, and we're going to real race car parts, a Saturn alternator, which is like actually a pretty common thing, I guess, because you can get higher amperage out of these ones.
It's like 20 more amps.
So that's the agenda. And then so like the hood flew up on Paul yesterday, and that hood latch is now broke as well.
It matches.
This,
right?
yeah, pretty much. This side got bent down here and over there. That hinge over there got ripped off. So fucking.
It's a real shame.
But the windshield is not broke any more than it was already broke. So that's fucking crazy. But yeah, so let's and the alternator fits like perfectly in there. So
Yeah,
winning. So let's get this shit on there and go drive it around. Maybe we'll go to the hill today if I can convince Paul. He thinks it's gonna rain. I told him it's not gonna rain if we go, but if we don't go, it will rain. Okay, so while Paul's dangling around down there, so we ended up having to cut and modify this bracket. Super ghetto and crude looking right now. And yeah, so we got the tensioner. We had to, on the block, you have to grind down a part on there, so we had to do that. So like right down here, you can hardly see any of the shit, but on the back side there, we had to grind all that, so that way the alternator fits on there. Otherwise we're getting close. Then we just gotta figure out the wiring, the hard part, because we can't even figure it out with the other one. So yeah, well, at least we're making progress. Alright, so alternator is in, we pinned it, because we don't have a plug for it, so we used like a female pin off of like the WeatherTech, I think they are. They're like WeatherTech knockoffs. So we used the female out of that one, and then he used a spade connector for the other one. And that one's looped to power. The other one is looped from, so it goes from pin L, I believe it was, the middle pin, and then it goes to a light bulb, and then it goes to a thing, and hopefully that'll work. So, I mean, we'll find out here.
Ready?
So, yeah. Dude, that light comes on when you flip the switch.
Boy.
Dang! So, hopefully... How are we going to know it? We're going to have to check the battery, see if it's charging. Or I guess, I mean, we'll know if it fucking blows a fuse, too. Yeah, flip the switch back. Now it's back on.
Oh,
I guess that's good.
I guess that's a win?
I guess.
Well, let's plug in the laptop and see what it says.
Yeah. But I guess that makes sense. I mean, it goes off when you flip it off, which I guess makes sense, but...
It turns back on?
Yeah, now it's on.
And then when I started it, it'd be off then.
Yeah, and then when it... Because it was running, and it was off, so... I don't know how that works, but whatever.
Sure.
I guess it makes sense because when you turn on a car, you know, like your check engine lights and all those come on, you know, along with your battery lights. So maybe, I don't know, science and shit. So, but yeah, hopefully we're going to try and go to the hill. The weather's supposed to get really bad, but we're going to just send it. So, yeah, let's just double check everything and maybe try and go. Alright, well, we managed to get out. Paul's behind me with the super bright ass lights. So, yeah, let's get to the hill, see who's all out there. Also, there's a huge storm coming in, so who knows how long we'll actually be out there. But, we're still gonna go. Well, we made it. We did have to fucking pull over because fucking Paul's taillights are throwing a fucking fit. But Probably just because we were heading into town, so we didn't want to get fucked pulled over. But yeah, good times. All right, well, pulled over there. We gotta take our grocery getters and go get some. I gotta get water. He needs milk, so let's go get some groceries. It's a pretty good time. Got to meet some new people I haven't met, so sounds like a good time. Let's go. All right, we gotta fill up. Okay, filled up 3 gallons. I don't believe it. I thought, no. Guess it was only 3 gallons. I'll fucking pay $13 with almost $4 gallon fucking prices. Dang. Now I might as well go get me some foods. All right, so cars are back. We really didn't have any issues. We just had the one issue with Paul's car with just the lights. Yeah, and it was just because the fuse is kind of jacked up. So we'll have to look at that again, but that worked out pretty good. And then like we just got home and it's just now starting to rain. So we're gonna call that a win because everyone was saying that it was gonna storm hard. Send it and see, I told you, I fucking told you. I was like, if we don't go, it'll rain. But if we do go, it won't rain. Nailed it. So, but that's gonna be it for this one, guys. So like, comment, subscribe. See you in the next one. Oh, I'm gonna tell you a secret. There was someone left a comment on one of my other videos today. It was hilarious. I'm trying to think, which one was it? Which video was that?
So your Air Dam 3?
Yeah, Air Dam 3. Go back. I pinned the comment. It's hilarious. Read it. I'm out.